Welcome to the George Auto YouTube channel, where we have a passion for Australian cars, old and new. We love bringing classics back to life that have been neglected, getting cars running again like they should, replacing broken engines, transmissions, and epic performance upgrades. If you love cars and like watching transformations and builds, then this channel's for you. When I was 21, I had a son named Thomas, and as he grew up, he also had that same love and passion for cars. So here we are documenting our journey together. Our mission is to bring cars back to life, to be brought back on the road, do some tasteful performance modifications, and create a community of people who love cars through events and our online community called G-Auto, where if you join, you will have the chance to win some of these epic builds that we create on the channel. This channel is just getting started, so stay tuned for even bigger and better things to come. On this channel, we will motivate you to either get your project finished, show you how we finish off our project cars, showing off tips, tricks, and trade secrets, and collaborate with professionals in the industry. So if this sounds good to you, hit the subscribe button and let me know what your dream car is in the comments below.